welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm super excited because I finally got my BOXYCHARM, and I thought I was going to get it till the 26th because that's what my email said, but it got here pretty early. And today is the 17th, Friday, April 17th. So you guys might watch it today, the 17th, or tomorrow. We'll see. So I already know what's in the box because I did have to open it to clean it, and yeah, I didn't want to get the virus. So anyways, let's open it up, and here are all of my products, and this time it does come with a card after like 3 months without getting a card. This month's theme is Festival Vibes. Hopefully you guys could see it. Oh, I got variation number 4, and it's right there. Okay, so let's get into the box. So the first thing that I see here are 3 face masks, and it's these right here. And they're super cute. I love cactuses, so I'm super happy that I got this one. And well, this one's a hemp one. I'm hemp. And this one is I'm lotus. And they're all face masks by the brand Tony Moly. So I'm really happy that they sent me these because I love face masks, so I can't wait to try these out. These Tony Moly I'm Real sheet masks retail for $9. Now, I don't know if it's per mask or if it's for all 3. It doesn't say, but if I find out, I'll put it up on the screen. Okay, the next product that I got that I'm kind of disappointed of, it's these Hank & Henry Beauty Sponges, and it's these right here. And yes, they're cute and everything, but I don't really use sponges. And then the box was all like open and stuff, so I don't know if it's contaminated or what. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them. I don't know if I should even put them in a giveaway because they're all open and probably contaminated. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, I'm not a big fan of sponges, but I don't know. Maybe I'll keep these. Who knows? Anyways, these Hank & Henry Midori Beauty Sponge Bundle retails for $20 for sponges. Okay, now the next product that I got, it is something that I actually chose for this month, and it is the Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Hydration Juice, and it's this one right here. It's super cute, and it is a glass bottle, and this Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Hydrating Juice retails for $48. Holy crap, that's expensive. So this product is loaded with vitamin-packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe. This gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling hydration, helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. The vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for a more even, calm, and balanced looking complexion. So the reason why I got this is because I do have sensitive skin, and well, hopefully this helps. And I also chose this one because I didn't want any of the eyeshadow palettes because I felt like they were too neutral for me. So yeah, that's why I chose this. So I'm super happy, and I can't wait to try this out. Okay, so the next product that I got, it is by Benefit, the Professional Pore Primer, Smoothing Face Primer to minimize the look of pores. And this is what it looks like. And let's see, I'm going to open it up. And this is what it looks like. It's super cute. And I can't wait to try this out. I've seen so many people use this, so I can't wait to try it out and see if it actually works like everyone says. And this is oil-free, lightweight, translucent, silky. We'll see about that. Hopefully it is actually oil-free. And this Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer, retails for $32. So the last product that I got, it is from Dose of Colors, and it is the Lip It Up Satin Lipstick, and it comes in this cute little box right here. So let's see, what shade did I get? So I got the shade Butterscotch. I don't know, hopefully it's not too brown. Let's take a look. Ooh, I love the packaging, look at that. Super cute. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, scared me. So that's really pretty, but I don't know, I feel like it's too brown or like too light. Oh dear, I don't know if I should keep it or not. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this is too light for me? Because I don't want to swatch it, because if I swatch it, I have to keep it. But I want to swatch it, but I won't. I don't know if this color fits me, because look, it's almost the same color as my skin. It like blends into my forehead now. So I don't know. Well, this is disappointing. I was hoping it was going to be like a mauve or something. Yeah, so I'm not gonna keep this lipstick. I'm going to put it in a giveaway because I already googled a swatch and look at that. That's too nude for me, and that's very disappointing. I wish they would have sent one of these down here. Man, this sucks. So anyways, I'm just going to put this in a giveaway. This Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick retails for $17. Anyways, that is everything that I got in my BOXYCHARM. I'm kind of disappointed because I did want the brushes. If anyone wants to switch the sponges for the brushes, let me know in the comments below. I am happy with these face masks, and I am happy with the LMS Superfood Hydrating Juice, and I am happy with a Pore Primer by Benefit because I've never tried it before, so I'm super happy with these 3 items. And it's just these 2 items that I didn't like. I don't know, I feel like I only got skincare this time. So I'm going to be adding up the value of this box. What's $32 plus $48 plus $20 plus $17 plus $9?
118 United States dollars.
So the value of this box was $118 and I only paid $25, so it's a pretty good deal. It's just kind of disappointing for me today. I don't know. So anyways, let me know in the comments below what variation did you guys get? Did you guys like what you guys got? And well, just let me know what you guys think about my box. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's